We have made it. Here she is in all of her stock glory. My 2026 Explorer Pro 230. As you guys saw in the last video, if you saw that before, if not, I will link it right here. I am completely doing an aesthetic cosmetology transformation on this. From 2023 to this model of the year, the 2026, they have looked the exact same. The only thing that has changed is this model of the year now does not come with the Garmin. It now has the 10.25 standard screen. But as far as the looks and aesthetics, couldn't tell. I am here today at DPI Wraps here in Naples. These guys are doing a full graphic makeover. We did though run into complications with this. Apparently Sea-Doo does not want you messing with their stuff. I get it. The grab rails and the side steps are able to be removed. Those came off easy peasy, but the front grab bars, a little bit more work, and more about that later. For a brief time, it's gonna look a little funky. It may look cool, I don't know. But I am not able to get the grab rail off just yet. So going to get that off after, but at least for now, DPI Wraps here in Naples, they are going to handle taking off and replacing all the available OEM graphics with blue. They designed everything, printed everything, and it is gonna look wicked. So check out some of the B-roll that's following this on the installation, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's to come next. And long and behold, it floats. Yes, I did check my drain plugs. It came out so good. Phase 1 is done. Florida with a warm welcome. We're gonna go into that bridge, so. Thank you guys for watching, and I am so excited to show. I got get hours on this, get out of the rain, but I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.